2004 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop roadster pickup here at Unique Specialty and Classics. And listen to this, clean Carfax, no accidents indicated, low mile vehicle, 15,830 is all actual miles in this truck. Well maintained, adult driven, 5.3 liter underneath the hood. That's paired up with an automatic with overdrive transmission, power steering, power brakes, AC blows cold. Take a look at the front grille. Smoking asphalt. It's the name of this color, or how about glossy black? Ebony interior, and as you can see, the paint shows well. It's black. You might find a little imperfection here or there if there's been a touch-up or a small little chip, but overall, this baby is clean. Check out the still pictures. You're going to be able to see the underside. Looks like new underneath there. Interior, engine bay, cargo area. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can check out all the still pics. If you're watching this video on YouTube, click on the link down below the video in the description. That's going to take you right to our website. Of course, you can call us 507-386-1726. Riding on the correct SSR wheels. Goodyear Eagle RSAs. I believe those may be the original tires on this. Let's take a look down this passenger side. You can see black paint, nice glossy finish, no major nicks, dings, scratches. And I will show you how the hardtop functions here towards the end of the video. We'll start it up, take a peek underneath the hood. Of course, bucket seat, center console. Now this one does have the 1SP preferred equipment group. So you do get heated seats, Bose stereo, 6 CD in-dash changer, memory seating on those leather buckets, engine cover insert, and more. Check out the still pictures and you'll see the window sticker in there also if you want to look at exactly how this thing was equipped. You're going to see it on that window sticker. Practically 50,000 brand new back in 2004. Does come with the car cover, and this also has the wood trim in the cargo area, as well as an integrated running boards, as you can see. Towing package, which there is the receiver in that plastic bag that slips up underneath. That's hidden behind the rear fascia, and then it also has the cargo netting package and customized floor mats. So you can see the cargo netting package there. And it's going to come with the showroom brochure and the 2004 SSR details book. And in that folder is the window sticker, a couple other miscellaneous things. So if you're looking for an SSR about as close to new as you can get, here you go. And once again, all those still pictures, UniqueClassicCars.com. Look at the reflection in that paint. If you like checking out cool vehicles, go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel. You never know what you're going to see come through here at Unique Classic Cars. Videos are uploaded daily, and when these videos are uploaded, the vehicles in them are available to purchase, and that can be done online or right off our showroom floor. As you can see up and down this driver's side. Also, free of any major nicks, dings, scratches. This thing is in extremely nice shape. Let's check out the interior. I think we know how this is going to look with 15,000 miles on it. Door panel looks good. There's the custom SSR floor mats, the insignia on there. Heated seats, power seats, memory. Again, part of that 1SP preferred equipment package. Seats look good. Leather bucket, steering wheel controls, driver's information center. Of course, tilt column cruise control. Let's go ahead and fire this up. These have a nice little growl from the factory too. It's a good sounding truck. Alright, no service engine soon lights, check engine soon, anything like that. There's your miles, 15,830 original. Actual miles, it was a cold start. Oil pressure good, fuel gauge full. Tachometer working. Stereo system.
Today to schedule your furnace checkup and
HVAC controls, AC blowing cold. Of course, power windows, power locks, power top, traction control. And I will show you that retractable hardtop going up and down, like I said. But first, we're going to take a peek underneath the hood and slip around behind so you can listen. Sounds good. All right. I'm going to pause this a second. We will have a prop rod. One thing to note, when you're opening these hoods up, do not lift on this Chevy logo part of the grill. Lift off to the sides, and I'll show you why when I get the hood up. All right, so there's the underside of the hood. You can see that hood liner. There's no stains, anything like that. It doesn't look like it's been driven in any sort of inclement weather. Now, this piece right here, when I said don't lift on this, it's because there's these plastic connectors that connect it to the metal part of the hood, and many times we see when somebody's lifting on that, it can break those connectors, and those pieces I don't believe you can order anymore, and they're getting harder and harder to find. So lift on the metal part of the hood, and it is a little heavier hood, so give you the heads up about that in case you ever purchase one of these, or you're going to be the next owner of this one. And there you can see the cover we talked about a little earlier. The SSR. Insignia on it again. There's the 5.3 liter aluminum heads. Nice clean engine base stock. It's what you'd expect with that kind of miles again. A little over 15,000's all. All right. Well, let me go ahead. I'm going to close that hood up. And also, what I see a lot is make sure you put the prop rod back down where it came from, because it kind of sits back out of the way. People forget that it isn't a hood with struts. It's got the prop rod, so you put that back down before you close the hood. All right, hardtop time. Let's put this up. And as easy as that, even the side windows roll up when the top's finished. So nice tight fit, obviously above the windshield, side glass up, nice fit. Paint condition, imagine that, like new. I'm guessing this truck has had the top down more than up. I know that's the way it would be if I owned it. And paint over here in the passenger side and top again. All good, no chips, scratches, anything like that. Nice shine to it. All right, so there's the top up, and tell you what, let's go ahead. I'll show you the top down. 2004 Chevrolet SSR retractable hardtop Roadster pickup. Clean Carfax, a little over 15,000 miles. Number to call 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com. All those still pics. Remember, stick around to the very end. Jason's going to take it for a drive, and we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email.
Hey, it's George from Motorhood Podcast at Unique Classic Cars.
Hey, and this is Jeremy, and we're here to tell you where you can find our podcast. So first off, on all the Audible platforms, including Spotify, iHeart, etc., and also right here on the YouTube channel where you can find all of our episodes,
as well as the rest of our shenanigans.
a few other fun things that we'll do.
And when in doubt, gas it. Welcome to Motorhood.
Today we're driving a 2004 Chevrolet SSR. You might even call it a mini truck. The small truck with the V8 power. An automatic right here on the center console, so it's easy to drive. Looking good in black, a little bit of silver accents. And you can hear that rumble, it sounds pretty good. Accelerates as you would expect. If you're getting some wind noise, that's just because this is a convertible and we have the hardtop down today. With a push of a button, you go from top down convertible to a hardtop up that looks like a truck that never even is a convertible. Very cool hardtop on these trucks. Tachometer working, speedometer also working. The fuel gauge reads over full currently. The temperature 190 degrees Fahrenheit and the oil pressure 45 psi. Factory stereo working well. Bose speakers makes it sound really good. I have not tested CD, but FM is working. Very comfortable bucket seats in this truck. Stereo controls on the steering wheel. Corners well. The kickdown works on the automatic transmission. Take a look at all the pictures of this Chevrolet SSR at uniqueclassiccars.com.